Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito. Begin by muddling fresh mint with 2 tsp sugar and 1 Oz lime juice in a sturdy glass, pressing gently to release oils. Add 2 Oz white rum, fill with crushed ice, and top with club soda to taste. Stir briefly to mix flavors, garnish with a mint sprig and lime wedge, and enjoy a bright, refreshing cocktail at home. In this video, I will show how to make mojito. Muddle mint leaves with sugar and lime gently, using a smooth twisting motion to bruise leaves without tearing them. Keep ingredients chilled and avoid overmuddling, which can release bitterness. Use a muddler or wooden spoon for better control, and work in short pulses so the mint oils blend with sugar and lime, creating a balanced base for the rum and soda. In this video, I will show how to make mojito. Combine 2 Oz white rum with the muddled mint mixture, then add crushed ice to fill the glass about 3/4 full. Top with club soda and taste, adding a touch more sugar if needed to achieve balance. Stir gently to layer flavors, garnish with a mint sprig and lime slice, and present immediately to enjoy the effervescence and aroma while it is freshest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.